Hey there, kidtastic animals explorers. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to enter the realm of pythons. These aren't your average backyard snakes. Oh no, these are the titans of the snake world. Pythons are found in the wild in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They live in a variety of habitats, from rainforests to deserts. These snakes are non-venomous, but don't think for a second that makes them harmless. They've got their own special way of taking down prey, and it's every bit as impressive as a venomous bite. So, get ready to learn about these amazing creatures. We'll uncover the secrets of their powerful bodies, their fascinating lifestyles, and even their family lives. Get ready to be amazed by the wonderful world of pythons. Pythons are fascinating eaters. They use their strong muscles to constrict their prey, squeezing it tightly until it can't breathe. Then, they swallow their meal whole, starting with the head. This might sound scary, but remember, pythons are just doing what they need to survive. Pythons come in all shapes and sizes. Some, like the reticulated python, can grow longer than a school bus. Others, like the ball python, stay relatively small and make popular pets. No matter their size, all pythons have one thing in common: beautiful scales. These scales are made of keratin, the same stuff as our fingernails. The scales help protect pythons and allow them to move smoothly through their environment. Pythons are generally solitary creatures. This means they prefer to be alone, hunting and exploring their territory on their own. While pythons are formidable predators in their own right, they are not without their own set of challenges and threats. In the wild, pythons must constantly be on guard against a variety of predators that see them as a potential meal. From large birds of prey like eagles and hawks to powerful mammals such as wild dogs and big cats, a python's life is fraught with danger. Even their eggs and newly hatched young are vulnerable to smaller predators like rodents and other reptiles. Pythons are oviparous, which means they lay eggs instead of giving birth to living young. After laying her eggs, a female python will coil around them to keep them warm and protect them from predators. This behavior is known as brooding. The eggs will incubate for several weeks before hatching, and during this time, the mother python will rarely leave the nest. Once the eggs hatch, the baby pythons are on their own and must fend for themselves. As they slither into the world, they carry the legacy of their species with them, ready to embark on their own adventures in the wild. Fun facts about pythons. Did you know that pythons can go months without eating after a big meal? They have super slow metabolisms. Pythons also have heat-sensing pits along their jaws to detect warm-blooded prey. And guess what? Some pythons can swim and climb trees. Well, that's all for today, kidtastic animals explorers. I hope you had fun learning all about pythons. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so kidtastic animals can thrive.